Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Friends, the pandemic has impacted several things, but it has not impacted the aspirations and ambitions of 1.3 billion Indians. In the recent months, there have been far-reaching reforms. These are making business easier and red tapeism lesser. A global pandemic has impacted everyone. It is testing our resilience, our public health systems, our economic systems. The current situation demands a fresh mindset. A mindset where the approach to development is human-centric. I am happy that our business community, in particular small business, being proactive. From almost nothing, they made us the second largest PPE kit manufacturers in the world. In record time, medical infrastructure was scaled up, be it COVID hospitals, ICU capacities, and more. Starting from one testing lab in January, we now have around 1,600 labs across the country. That a country with 1.3 billion people and limited resources has one of the lowest death rates per million in the world. The recovery rate is also steadily rising. Work is actively underway on the world's largest housing program. The renewable energy infrastructure is being expanded. Rail, road, and air connectivity is being boosted. Our country is creating a unique digital model to build our national digital health mission. We are using the best of fintech to provide banking credit, digital payments, and insurance to millions. All these initiatives are being taken using world-class technology and global best practices.